Alright you guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today's video is going to be about me installing my BBK long tube headers, and you're going to have to watch the whole video just to find out how crazy my reaction is, because it is indeed. Not going to spoil it for you guys. Let's get to the video.
Worst part is paying for the installation, because your boy don't know how to do it, and based on what I've been told and what I looked up on YouTube, these son of a bitch are very damn accessible to install, or in other words, it takes a little bit more time to install them. Your boy bought some long tube headers, and let's go check it out. And look at that, your boy got the BBK.
Why long tube headers? Why not short head tube? Like, yes, short tube headers are less expensive, but really will not give me that defined sound, that defined performance that I'm looking for, because I'm the type of person that really doesn't love to spend so much money on something that it's my first time be able to experience. Okay, this is going to be just the beginning piece, and then later down the road upgrade to something that is more comfortable, friendly with my budget, and as well as making more performance boost up.
A few inches later.
Let's go ahead and get a little final cold start from my boy Ace. Yup, we're definitely going to have to improve that. Today's the day that we're finally going to be installing my long tube headers that have been in the back of my trunk for about 2 to 3 weeks and a half. So, reason why for the delay, let me go ahead and explain that to you. So I needed that box. And if you guys don't know what's inside that box, let me go ahead and tell you, because I know you guys don't know everything. And if you guys do know everything, make sure you give it a like and subscribe if you guys know everything. So back to what I was saying, or the O2 extensions kit or sensors. So in other words, this is where it gets a little confusing for most people, and it comes to where you want to be on the safe side just in case, or you just want to be on that borderline. It's a 50-50. Okay, so let me clarify for you guys. I wanted to be on the safe side, so just in case I didn't get the tune right away, the car won't be acting all trippy. Let's go back to the video. Pushing my boy Ace to the next level. Go, go, come on, go. Alright, anyway, start the B-roll.
Capping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, blind hot like a sauna. Bouncing nothing, I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to slip across the water. Got see cars out, got me big bad for Ronald. Out bag of money, knew I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Athletic, nigga turn a million about the cabbage. Kill his whole family.
Should we do one last little pull through the tunnel? I feel it. Man, this car always seems to amaze me. The exhaust system is out. I'm gonna give y'all a little sneak peek. Well, thank you, BBK.
Hold on, fuck that.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart.
It's gonna be our new invention right here. Just a little sit back. Gotta wait till Monday morning, unfortunately. Oh boy. Okay. Can I get a cold start? Not that bad. That sounds mean, bro. Damn, this is not that bad at all. Oh man. Alrighty guys, so I just got out of the shop. It took about roughly a whole day. I'm hoping I'm able to get home safely and not just This sounds cam, bro. What? I'm like, hey man, is it your car cam? Absolutely, bro. Absolutely. It's not like it has a mid adapter missing, you know, nothing going to the exhaust, you know. It's not like we have it strapped on or zip tied, you know. Nothing. Look up. I'm gonna try to see if I can make it home peacefully without causing too much of a scene, as well as attracting cops. So I'll catch you guys later, or if I make it home.